Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SLS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. And overall, I'm not going to say that the chart's destroyed, but definitely a very shaky looking chart going forward, a very sketchy looking chart because, yeah, there was an absolutely monster movement, but then there's this big old pullback, but it wasn't quite a crash, but I mean, it was a big pullback. So that's what I mean by shady. There's some nice attributes to this chart, but there's also some very negative attributes. And going forward, in my mind at least, I think the level that really does a good job of just summarizing, is this chart going to be bullish or bearish, is right here at $2.40. Why is $2.40 important? Well, let's look at one scenario, and I'm not saying this will occur, but it'll help explain. But let's say that the price comes down to $2.40 and then just continues on down. At that point, what would you have? Well, from a very literal perspective, the price would quite literally be right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, maybe the price comes down to $2.40 because, I mean, nothing can go straight up, but behaves in that manner and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, what would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of these as stair-steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to show signs of progress. Now, I do realize there's some perspective that goes into this, meaning if you're some sort of day trader, scalper, flipper, and you bought there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well, then yeah, from that point of view, the chart looks really bad. But assuming you do care about the big picture of things, that's why you can't quite say that the entire chart's destroyed, because to be fair, the price does still have that opportunity to chip and build that higher base up there at 240. So that'll be the level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching going forward. So yeah, let's see if the price can stay above it or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.